Hello, my name's Alexis Thurston. I am currently 21 years old, about to have my first baby. I'm a third-year student here at Madison College, and I am an accounting major. I chose to do my project on Maui, Hawaii. I chose this island because my uncle who passed away when I was a kid would get a trip from the Army due to being shot in the Vietnam War each year. And he always chose to go back to one of these 5 islands. And I always wondered what was so beautiful or what was so wonderful about these islands that made him continuously want to visit again. So, I decided to do some research and see if I could find the beauty that he saw on the island. A few things that I learned. The island is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. It has a dormant volcano called the Hakala volcano or crater. The crater actually creates many different weather patterns, creates different wind patterns, causes different amounts of precipitation in different areas. The island of Maui actually has 10 of the 14 different biomes known to Earth. In certain areas, like the small area that is a desert biome, receives 10 to 0 inches of rain a year, compared to an area such as the hot humid tropical climate that receives at least an inch of rain every day. For temperature for this area, it doesn't range very much throughout the year. It ranges from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And even when nightfall comes, it only drops about 2 degrees. The ocean temperature remains the same in the area. And the island actually has quite a long hurricane season and a storm season. The island only has 2 different seasons as well. Due to the fact that the island is basically made of a volcano, there are not many streams and rivers. The streams and rivers that were there actually were disappearing due to sugar plantation overuse. But over the last 150 years, they've worked very hard at bringing that down. One of the most valuable things I learned about while researching Maui was the extreme dangers that the island is in due to weather hazards and natural disasters. They range from severe flooding, from hurricanes and tsunamis, to just heavy rainfall on the island, to volcanic eruptions, whether or not it be from another island or its own volcano eruption. As I said, it's not likely, but they suffer from earthquakes. They suffer from landslides from heavy rainfall. The soil is heavily affected by the rain and the wind there. About 10% of the island has mature soil. And other than that, there is not very much agricultural soil that can be used. There's many plants and animals found on the island. Some different plants that I know of are coconuts, bananas, oranges, lots of fruits. Anything that can really grow in a humid climate. And yeah, I do believe after doing some research, I will visit this wonderful island. I really hope to plan my trip around the hurricane season, and hopefully while hiking up the side of a volcano, it doesn't decide to erupt on me. Thank you.